Good morning, first grade, and good morning, first grade families. Happy Friday. We've made it to the end of the week for our first week of first grade virtual learning. I hope you've had a great week. I know I sure have, and it's been great getting to see and meet and start to work with all of you. And I'm excited for week two coming up next week. And I'm sure we'll all enjoy the long weekend this weekend, so that will be nice. It's a nice little 3-day weekend after our first week. So thank you so much, students, for all of your hard work and trying everything out and doing your best. And thank you, grown-ups, as well, for all of your help as we kind of navigate through all of this. So today is Friday, September 4th, 2020. It is our fourth day of school, but it is day two for your special schedule. So you can see first grade up on the board. I have changed the date. So we have Friday, September 4th, 2020. And then to show that date digitally with just numbers is 9-4-20. And just like we talked about yesterday, the 9 stands for the month of September. The 4 is the date. And then the 20 is the year. Very good. And do you remember what coin that is? So I've added another coin. And those are pennies, right? So each penny is worth 1 cent. So I've added another penny. So we have 4 pennies, which would equal 4 cents. And I've also added over here something that you may have seen last year. And I'll give you a second to think if you remember what it's called. It's called a 10 frame, and we're going to really actually dig in next week to talking about numbers and groups of numbers and how to show different numbers. But in a 10 frame, there are 10 empty spots, and I've added 4 counters to show that we are on the 4th day of school. So we're going to really dig into that next week as we start our math. So for today, we have some great things planned. This morning on Seesaw at 9, when this is coming out, you'll have your first activity, and it is actually a paper that was in your red folder in your supply box. And it says fall writing, but the topic is asking you to write about your favorite thing that you did over the summer. So this is meant to kind of help show me how your writing is and what we can work on this year and maybe what you already know. So I just want you to try your very best to tell about your favorite thing from over the summer, and you can draw a picture and do your best printing that you can, and try to remember what we talked about with complete sentences, that they start with a capital and they end with some sort of punctuation. And that means it could be a period, a question mark, an exclamation point, and we'll learn lots more about that this year. But just try your very best, and I look forward to seeing a little bit more about what you did over the summer and your favorite thing from the summer. That will be the first thing this morning. Then at 10, we'll have our first live class for this morning. We're going to pick back up with rainbow fish, and yesterday we talked about what we noticed and wondered, and you guys had some really great questions about the story that you wrote on the Padlet from yesterday, and I was really impressed. You had some really excellent, thoughtful questions, so nice job. Today we're going to talk a little bit more about what happened in the story and kind of get more into the details of the story. And then you'll have a little response after that 10 a.m. meeting, and then your special will be in that middle time like it was yesterday, and then we'll meet again at 1 p.m. and wrap up anything from the rainbow fish. And then I have a couple of fun Friday things to end our week, and then next week we really jump into our reading and math, and I'm excited for that. So we'll kind of end on a fun note on Friday today, and then be ready to come back on Tuesday, ready to go with all of our stuff. So as always, reach out with any questions. I can't wait to see everyone today, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk with you soon. Bye.